So let's start with repairing these socks. I have the socks that need repairing with 2 holes in the bottom. Oh, maybe 3 holes. This was a common thing that we used to always do, darning the socks, fixing the socks, and we'd have them for years. It's not so popular now, we just chuck them away. You don't have to. So I have my little scissors, I have my embroidery thread, I also have normal thread, and I have my clear thread, and I have a needle, a range of sizes based on what thread I will choose. I think I'm going to go with the embroidery thread. We take our needle and thread. So we'll need about an arm's length, should be enough. There are only small holes in this. Just wet the end of the thread, helps to thread it on to the needle. Okay, you can see the thread there. Make sure you get that. Sometimes helps if you just hold a small part of the thread, and it holds it firmer. Pull it through, pull the thread all the way so that you've got it folded over in half. Take this end and then just a little knot. Or a big knot to finish that bit there. Doesn't really matter, we're just repairing these socks. So we go in from underneath, so I'm going to go through the hole. Maybe I can see, I can't. So under, through a bit of the yarn, through a couple of bits of yarn, so that our knot's got something to hold on to at the back. So our knot is now just inside the sock, and then we start again by simply going in, under, across the opening, and then pull it up and round so it can close. So in, through the opening, up out the other side of the hole, and pull it tight. Again, same all the way along. Sometimes it helps to take a little bit more and go in just to secure it, make sure that it doesn't come undone again anytime soon. And never say never. These things can be repaired many times, so if it does happen, it's alright. It ain't the end of the world. Well, it might be. So as you can see, it's nearly closed. A little bit sticking out there. And all fingers and thumbs today. Beep beep. See, super easy. It might take you longer than it would take me. I have been doing it, this sort of thing, for like 20 years. Shh. So peaceful in the garden. Birds are singing, sky is blue. Oh, there's a poem there, I'm sure. So I finished that hole. I can see no hole now. And then I'm going to push it through, turn my sock inside out. So you can see where the needle is coming out there. And then I'm going to just do the same little finishing stitch Up and over, in and out, in and out. It does help if you sing. It's like therapy. It's free. There we go. So I don't want to do it too much. And then the little snippers. Trim it off. Nearly done. I think I saw another hole though. Amazing what you come across when you're fixing something. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, I think that pair is good. That is how you repair some socks. Under, joining it just like it would if you were having stitches, although they don't do stitches now in hospital necessarily quite like that. You might just have like butterfly strips on there, little bits of tape. Up, under, round and through. See, one hole nearly done. Off. And all is closed, yes. Oh, that's not one done yet. Then we'll take the thread through, back in, pull it all the way through, turn your sock inside out, and we'll do some finishing stitches on the inside. Make sure you don't at this point sew the rest of your sock together. So So just a few, the same sort of up and over, through, under and over stitches to finish off. This is similar to how we would end the back of a button. And then we shall just trim it off. And hopefully that will do the job for the first